Cleveland! Here we go. Finally. Here we go, CTX.
Office in White Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards radio station KEAS-63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, and St. Clair. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KEAS-63. We now return to the normal broadcast.
Et averse de neige ou de pluie. Maximum 4. Dimanche soir.
Here we go. They did it basically around when they promised. Where'd it go? Windsor's already going, I don't know. Yup, here we go. I'm a little late on this one because I was getting Ann Arbor. Windsor's going to.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040. Je répète, ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040.